Hello, my name is Purti, and today I'm trying to build a Mad Libs game by Procode. Like he put up an example on his YouTube channel, so I am doing that. If my video speed is so slow, you can speed it up on YouTube, so don't worry about it. As you can see, as I'm moving my cursor right here, I am offline. Alright, so yeah, alright, so let's begin. First of all, what I'm going to do is go into the settings. I'm going into the settings, and I need to change the appearance because this high contrast in light in white color is kind of giving somebody's like weird vibes. So what I'm going to do is change the appearance. First of all, what I want to go to command palette. Where is the command palette? uh, yeah, no, appearance, no, this is not what I meant. So color theme. Alright, so what I'm going to do is use this. It's from Ghibli Studio, kind of thing. It what it is doing is like it puts a overlay on my VS Code. So as you can see, it looks quite nice and pretty. I love everything to be pretty on my laptop, so that's what you're gonna get from me. Alright, so this is my okay, this terminal is open in my VS Code. To open a terminal, you can either go to this option, or you can use a keystrokes called Control plus J. Okay, what I mean is, I'll show you. I'll close this terminal, Control J. Now it's open. You can see that I am in this PowerShell because PS is a shorthand for PowerShell. All right. So yeah, let's begin. Instead of explaining VS Code, I should have begun with the tutorial. Anyhow, I can edit this thing out. Oh no. I think I I used print statements to copy the first two sentences right here. Now I am going to write. I'll show you the whole picture later on because right now I want to type this out. So okay, so there was issue with my OBS, so since I'm offline, I'll be referring to this textbook that is recommended by my professors. That is, I'm I'm struggling with finding this. Okay, this is here. What I did was I took pictures of this textbook. It is called E. Balaguruswami's 6th edition. So it was it was specifically stated in my college syllabus, so I'll be referring to this only. I know it's outdated and I have to cross check with internet sources, but still this is like my resource that I'll be referring throughout this tutorial. So yeah, if I'm getting anything wrong, then comment down below. I'll try to improve it. Anyhow, without any okay, let's move on from this. um, what I'm going to do is, let's start coding. Images right here. I'll start with this system dot out dot print. I'm not using print ln because I don't want each of the print statement to have a new line character at the end of each sentence. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So uh, all right, so what is the next sentence? I think I should put a space after full stop or like period. You need to put a space. I think it's like basic English grammar. So I blank. What is my current blank number? I think what I should do is like put a counter, but still anyhow, I want the use. I want my client to know which blanks you need to like put the answers in, and like yeah. I think I didn't listen to the problem statement properly, so I would mess this up. So yeah, I'm trying to do my own thing. This is not a proper. This is not a professional course that you can find in Udemy. It's just my own thinking. So take each word as a precaution. Take each word as take take each word of mine as a grain of salt. That's what I'm saying. Don't trust my words. That's what I mean. I need to edit this out. I kept on repeating my words so that you guys can hear it properly, or else you would complain in my comment section. All right then. I need to amp up my voice so you guys can clearly hear me. Anyhow, so I need to have a blanket. Right. So what was the which blank 5? Okay, I am in blank 6. I blank 6. What I'm doing is, see, here is my cursor. I blank 6 down the stairs to see if I could help blank. Oh, I forgot to put the parentheses after blank 6, so I'm going to do that real quick. So I think my hands are slightly shaking. I don't know, is it because of nervousness? Anyhow, I just want to stop talking and just keep on doing it. Right. I just want to have your attention, guys, so that's why I'm talking too much in this video. Verb, past tense. Down the stairs to see if I could help blank 7. Is it correct? I'm in this image application or photo editor, so if I, okay, yeah, blank 7, I could, I'll edit this out quickly. If blank 7, I could help blank 7. I think it's in verb. What I can do is capitalize this one to make it more conspicuous. So blank 7, this is I'm using arrow keys. Okay, if you are struggling with the touchpad, I'm on laptop right now, so if you are struggling with touchpad, then arrow keys is your best friend when it comes to selecting text if you're used to like typing whatever materials you have while you're studying. Anyhow, so blank, I'll do it for the rest of it. So what I'm going to do is I'll do find and replace method. Instead of doing it individually, I'll do find and replace method, so it would make my life easier. So replace, so find is blank, no, blank, replace it with blank, blank, blank. Yeah. uh, Now see, instantaneously all the lowercase, um, lowercase, lowercase blanks, they have become capitalized. All of them have become capitalized here also. So this is the power of find and replace method. So yeah, I think I haven't finished one sentence. I'm very slow. I'll do it quickly. Uh, help, help with the dinner. The dinner. I'll also do SQL, then um, React also. I've been working on TensorFlow. Then this I'll do tutorials on it later on. Right now I'm doing Java. I'll be posting live streams on LinkedIn, which is my professional account. I do some memes over there, so you can check me out over there also. Anyhow, I finished this sentence, the third sentence. I think what I can do is I think it's just a small paragraph. Alright, so system.org. What I'm gonna do is up arrow key and shift arrow key to the right. So what I'm gonna do is I'll remove this text inside of my new print statement, the current one, and I'll replace it with the next sentence. So after a period you need to put a space. I am starting here, which is close to my left double quotes. It is skewed. It is like it is leaning towards to my right double quotes. Okay, what I'm doing, what I'm saying right now is that my the cursor is leaning towards my right double quotes. Anyhow, I deviate a lot, so don't mind it. It's going to be a long ass one, long ass tutorial. Okay, I need to like mind my language. Look at my language. Okay. So my mom said, I think, oh, I need to put this escape character so that to calm down my compiler, or else it would scream at me if I don't put a backward slash before my double quotes. Anyhow, so my mom said, um, see if blank 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 7, okay, blank 8 blank 8 blank 8 and I'll use parentheses to define the grammar. I think it's from I don't want to mention that. So if see if blank 8 relatives name needs a fresh wait needs a fresh, I think it's blank 9. Okay, my mom said escape character single double quote see if blank 8 in parenthesis relative's name needs a fresh blank 9. um, yeah, I think this is my fourth sentence. Now I'm going to fifth sentence. So all right, so Windows V, I'm going to copy paste this, and this shift arrow to the left. Okay, all right, so space. So I carried a tray of glasses full of blank 10. I think there are 13 blanks. So yeah, we are reaching towards our goal of like printing out the paragraph to the user, or yeah, to the user only. I think I am the coder, so the user is someone else. Sorry. Okay, I was burping. So I carried a full, I think the what it says is a liquid. I think the answer should be water, hopefully, or someone says orange juice for that blank 10 into the blank 11 verb ending in ing. I think it's about English grammar, so I don't know much about it, so I'm going to do the coding real fast. I think sixth sentence is over. Now moving on to seventh sentence. So I could have done all of this in a single print statement, but it would have looked very huge, like very lengthy. So I just don't wanna, like, I just hate when some things are crowded. Alright, I want to be like nicely organized. Now let's move on to the which sentence it was. So I carried a tree of when space when I got there I couldn't believe my blank. I lost the count of blank. How many blanks were there? 11, 12. Yeah, 12. 12. Yeah, is it correct? Yes. I couldn't believe my. I think the answer should be eyes. Hopefully, the user will put eyes, the answer. So, part of the body. I think it's pleural. Pleural. Exclamation mark. Then Windows plus your V, you will get this clipboard kind of thing. So I'll put this cursor right here, and this programming language is Java. So if you are lost, I'm doing Java. Yes, can you see? Can you notice a pattern? From second print statement to here, current one, I am putting a space here because see, I am not using print line statements, I am using print statements. So yeah, so it's going to show up as a small paragraph rather than single single lines of text. Okay, then I think we have reached the last one. So there you go. I can't wait to see the output of it. So there were uh, blank 13, blank 14, I think I should put brackets. uh, I think I should put brackets so people could know that hey, like, you need to put answers. Blank on the blank 15. I think yeah, we have finished with the print statements. The last thing I wanted to do is like put square brackets around blank variables. So I'm going to do it really quickly. It's just a matter of time. Yeah. I think it's about chicken. The paragraph. Anyhow, let's do the square brackets. Blank 6, then fast, then blank 7, then blank 8, blank 9, blank 11, and then blank 12. I think that's it. Now let's run our Java code. So on VS Code, what you do is like control plus J. Yeah, I am in this directory called playground, means PLAYGRD. So Java C main dot Java okay, then I think it's a bunch of print statements, so it won't show any errors. This Java C, it will show you some errors. All right, then I'll move up to up. I'll use upper up arrow key to see my history, previous to see my previous command. So I'm going towards left arrow key to remove C letter, and yeah, this is your interpreter. So I'm going to press enter, and yeah, this is my output. So wait, I think I made a few printing mistakes, as you can see right here. I forgot to put I added more of parentheses. I put extra parentheses over there, so I'll just remove it real quick. Let's see, where is it? Let's run this again. Up arrow key, then yeah, it looks good. This is what I'm getting. I can't zoom in or zoom out the terminal, so yeah. Or what I could do is I'll go to the PowerShell version 7. I installed it via uh, Windows PowerShell. I think I followed a guide from Microsoft Learn website. I'll put up the link under my description so you guys can check it out, or if you want a tutorial then just tell me in the comments. Okay, so I'll move on to like D drive, then change directory to directory meaning folder. So Java / playground play grd, then Java C main.java. I'm creating another instance of PowerShell. So I think my speculation is that the terminal here, right, on my VS Code, I'm using the classic version. Here, I'm using the version 7, which is the upgraded version from the classic one. So yeah, hope so. Java C, then I think you have different commands to check out the contents of your folder. I'm diverting my attention, so I'm getting diverted. So what I'm going to do is run this. Yeah, now you can see it clearly. No, I think where is this there is no horizontal scroll bar. No, there is only vertical one only. Anyhow, that is my a bunch of print statements. Yeah, I'll do a next tutorial. For now I'm getting tired, so yeah, see you later guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. I'll see you later. Alright, then I'll exit this. Exit.